Hi, fourth grade, Miss O here. So today we're going to learn how to multiply whole numbers and fractions. So a whole number is any number from 1 to infinity that's completely whole. Fractions are any numbers that is a part of another number, so 1/2, 3/4, so on. So we're going to take a whole number like 4, and we're going to multiply it by a fraction. So I'm going to use our x to multiply, and let's just do 1/2 for right now. So because I have my 1 in the numerator, this is a unit fraction. So you may be looking at this and you're like, I have no idea where to start. So it's actually really simple. You're just going to leave your denominator the same. So our denominator is 2. We're going to leave that the way it is, and we're just going to take 4 and multiply it by 1. So we get 4 over 2, or 4/2. But I can't leave it this way, can I? Because 4 is more than 2. So just like we learned before, 2 goes into 4 twice. So we would leave that as 2. And to show you, okay, so I'm going to show you one other example so you know exactly how to do this. So I'm going to pick 3. We're going to multiply 3 by, this isn't going to be a unit fraction because I'm going to put a different number in the numerator. So we'll multiply it by 4/5. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do here is, again, I'm going to leave this denominator 5 alone. I'm going to take my whole number and I'm going to multiply 3 by 4. So I will get 12 over that same denominator. So I'm going to take 5 and I'm going to put it over here. So we have 12 over 5. But as you all know, this is an improper fraction, so I can't leave it like this. So I'm going to first look at our denominator, which is 5, and then I say, how many times does 5 go into 12? Well, 5 is going to go into 12 twice, because 5 times 2 is 10. So that 10 and 12, we know the difference is 2, so I have 2 left over. And then I'm going to keep that same denominator, that same 5 from before. So I should have 2 and 2/5. It's as simple as that. And also, if you see this over here and you want a little bit more help with it, you can also take that 3 and you can put a 1 underneath it, because the 1 is not going to change it. 3 over 1 is the same thing as 3. So if I put that 3 over 1 and I multiply it by 4 over 5, then I can just go across like this. So 3 times 4 equals 12, and then 5 times 1 equals 5. So I get the same thing that I got above here, and so I would get 2 and 2/5 again. So now Real Me is going to go over a few more of these with you.